Hello everyone, welcome to Knowing Me in 90 Seconds. My name is Olubayode Akintade. Wealth beyond money is about network. You know how they say your network is your net worth. Simply put, the value of your professional and personal relationship could just be as important as your financial assets. So take care of your network. I honestly would say I've never really had to save up because I wanted to get something. I use loan a lot. Talk about the cars, talk about the houses. I deploy loans because sometimes it's equity can be really expensive. Many people think because they got the money they have to spend it. You don't have to spend it, right? Access loan and then you're fine. So I like to have a board in my office. I write on that board what's important to me, the next steps, helps me to follow through, helps me to have what I want to do right in front of my face, motivates me and gets me running. I like to sit with people and share my life experience. If I could encourage them from the pages of the scriptures, very good. This is me in 90 seconds, and I hope you've really gotten to know at least a little bit about me.